reason I grunt it doesn't mean you have to grunt.
She thinks that's part of the thing. Oh, Emily. Oh, careful, Daddy. We don't need an injured Daddy. Oh, or an injured kid.
Wipe out.
One,
You're not jumping anymore.
no, I think they're really bad.
Ready? One more time.
Did you hear her grunt after Daddy grunted all the way across? Oh.
Hey, come here.
Shh.
Let's do it together. Ready?
Whoops. Wipe out.
Oh.
Dad needs a drink. You need a drink?
Hey, you can't take your jumping prop. Gulp, gulp, gulp.
Feet are cold. Goodness.
Okay, good job.
Now one more time.
Okay, you do it.
You need butter right there.
Yes, ma'am.
Good job, Emily. Oh!
Baby, some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're getting silly,
Okay.
girl.
I'll put the toys away.
No.
That's a good nighttime wind down activity.
You ready for bed, Emily?
1, 2, 3,
Are you ready for sleeping?
1, 2, 3, 4.
We know what she's going to tell you, Mom.
One more.
Yeah, Emily, you ready for bed? You ready for bed?
1, 2, 3,
Are you ready for bed? Wipe out.
Oh, I saw your belly.
Uh-oh. Emily, look at me. Look at the camera. Are you ready for bed?
No.
No. I think you are. You keep crashing and burning. Haha.